Good morning. I'm meteorologist Chita. This is the latest on Hurricane Milton, a Category 4 hurricane. Max sustained winds at 155 miles per hour, moving northeast around 16 miles per hour. It is on track to make landfall late this evening, but have major catastrophic impacts overnight and throughout the morning hours. So Thursday morning throughout Florida, a big part of Florida. So notice that makes landfall as a Category 4 hurricane, potentially remaining a Cat 3 or Cat 2 well in central Florida, and then kicking off into the Atlantic, potentially still as a Cat 1. Let's focus in on the storm surge impacts. I'm going to really zoom in along Tampa Bay to Sarasota. Notice anywhere from 10 to 15 feet. This is unsurvivable storm surge. This is meaning water is going to be pushed over land by 10 to 15 feet. So think of buildings, a person who's 6 feet tall. This is well above them, almost double their size as it pushes on shore. Then even well south of, we're talking from Fort Myers into Naples, 8 to even 12 feet for their storm surge. So life-threatening conditions expected to unfold, not only with the storm surge. Now let's focus in on some of the rain impacts from Hurricane Milton. So after it makes landfall, this is 8:30 this evening, and it'll be close then, okay? It'll be close. So landfall this evening, but the most rain really falls usually in the northeast quadrant, and that's actually what's lining up. So even areas closer into Orlando and potentially even along the east coast of Florida, they could be picking up 8, 10, maybe 12 inches of rain in a very short period of time. I think by mid-morning tomorrow, so 9, 10 a.m., a big part of the energy from Hurricane Milton is offshore, but they're still going to be dealing with some of the winds and rain through maybe even Thursday afternoon. Now, how much rain are we talking about? Take a look at our scale here. So I'm going to jump over to that 10 inches. And now there's that spot just offshore of 15 inches, but it's just not out of the question. So think anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of area-wide rain right through central Florida upon landfall. And then potentially, though, isolated spots could be up to about 15. So it will be the rain, the wind, and the storm surge here locally. We keep it mild.